Hey guys, it's Dallas and George behind the camera. We're about to do a Nerf battle. George is going to record this, so am I. Oh, it's 2 against 1. See that little guy? He's going to go down to little and downy world. How we're doing a Nerf battle? Okay, here are the rules. You see this road? This is out. Oh, I'm dead. He's already in rage. Oh, excuse you, George. If you okay, metal bullets. Well, you have 3. You have 3 lives. Okay. This is not gonna be the best quality, but who gives a crap? So, this is my gun. Yeah. Best gun pistol. That's George's. Okay.
I'm ready. How about mine?
Now, show offs. Okay, we have 3 lives. Okay, like you said, rules: you can't touch this. But I have a secret plan. Yeah, Liam, and let's start this. George, you gonna start yours back up? I'll be right back. Okay, we're starting now. Okay. Now I'm playing on the door side, and they will not expect me. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm gonna switch the camera around. Okay. Okay, switch the camera around. I switched the camera around. Huh? Okay. Well, I'm doing something real quick. Hey, Coops. YouTube. Stop. Hey!